show you how to track your spending on Revolut. Welcome back everyone to a new video on Howgenic. If you want to manage your budget and want to know exactly how much you spend within a month, you can easily do that. Now, in order for you to track your spending, you need to create a budget first of all, so that you can allocate those budget for particular expenses. To do that, head over to the Analytics tab on the top right of the screen, which is this icon. Once you tap on it, you'll land on the Analytics tab. If you have previously set up a budget, this is the section where you can track your spending. But if you have not yet added in your budget, you'll need to do so by tapping on an option called Add or Create a Budget, which you'll be able to see somewhere on the bottom. So just tap on that option. Next, you'll need to select the exact amount that you like to spend for particular expenses. So you can see a list of expenses that a person might have, such as groceries, shopping, restaurants, and etc. For example, if you do not have a particular transaction, such as you do not eat out, you can just leave this tab empty and fill in dollar amounts on other tabs. Once you add in your total budget on these expenses, you can tap on Done on the bottom. This way, if you now head back, you're gonna see this Analytics tab and where you can see this chart. This way, as you start spending from Revolut throughout the month, the expenses will start to calculate and you'll exactly know how much you allocated and spent on a particular expense or throughout the month. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to share and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.